Hi, I'm Rolet Bacolpo, member of Global. Last February 18, 2016, I am requesting for assistance the sum of $80. And this is my wallets. I have my $60 and $9 under the Extra. I have my referral bonus, $7. Accrued interest of my Extra, $5. The total assistance I got, $80. And this is who provide my help. Thank you very much. I'm a member of this unique community that helps me financially. Thank you, for changing our lives and more power.